The sun is turning red. A good job you've done.
Okay, for this problem we're going to sketch the graph of z equals x over 4 squared plus y over 8 quantity squared. Okay, so here we see we have z equaling like a single z, not z squared or anything like that. So z is equal to some variable, so x over something squared, plus another variable, y, over something squared, right? So we have two variables being squared and they're being added to each other. So this is actually going to be a paraboloid, okay? So this is a paraboloid of some sort, so paraboloid, okay? And since they're being added to each other, as opposed to being one minus the other, this is going to be an elliptic kind. So this is going to look like a bowl, right? So this will look like a bowl, and this is upwards pointing since they're both positive, okay? And we do know, one of the things is that in the x direction, so let's say here's x, there's y, and here's z. So first of all, where do we base it? If you plug in a 0 for x and y, we would get a 0 for z. So it's based at the origin, okay? So that's where the bottom is, the lowest point. And then it kind of goes up in both directions. But in the x direction, as I was saying, we're going to go, it's a smaller distance, right? Because we have a 4 on the bottom there, and an 8 under the y. So it's actually going to be like more stretched, I'll just say. Not necessarily twice as stretched, but more stretched in the y direction. Okay, and again, this is just a sketch, so we don't have to you're welcome to plug in an x and a y and actually plot the points, but I'm just going to draw a rough estimate here. So this is an elliptic paraboloid, right? So we're going to have ellipses going out like that, okay? Something like that, and then I'll just draw the bowl shape through it. Okay, so this is our elliptic paraboloid. That's a sketch there. All right, so that's basically it. Okay, so that does it for this video, this practice problems video. I hope that helps, and happy studying.